All right, I'm going to do 4 problems with you. You do not have to do those problems. You're going to do the back side, take a picture, and submit it. Okay? Please make sure you do your work. I'm doing the video, so go back to it if you have questions. Slow it down if you need to. Repeat it if you need to. Okay? You know how to do this. I know you all do. But we're going to do it again, just in case you don't remember. Okay? All right. Remember, our first step, we're going to add or subtract. Our second step, we're going to multiply or divide. And we do that on the side that the variable is on. Okay? So let's look at the first one here. There's my variable. It is V. The letter that does not have a variable with it is 11. It is plus 11, so I need to do the opposite, which is minus 11. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Remember, my goal is to get that variable by itself. Those cross out. All I'm left with on the right side is negative 3V. And 41 minus 11 is 30. Now my second step is multiply or divide. This means 3 times V, or negative 3 times V. My opposite of times is divide. So I'm dividing by negative 3. My negative 3's cross out because when I divide them, it equals 1. So all I've left is V. And 30 divided by negative 3 is 10. It's just like when we were doing the one-step ones, and you had to decide what the opposite of the operation was. Now we're just doing 2 of them at the same time. All right, if you need to pause and go back and write it, go ahead. I'm just going to keep working here. If you think you know what you're doing, maybe watch 2 of them and then go work on the assignment. Here's letter A. All right, that's my variable for this equation. On that side, the number that's not connected to the variable is a 9. It's a positive 9, so I'm going to subtract 9. Or put a negative 9. It's the same thing. My 9's cross out. I'm left with the A over 10. And 10 minus 9 is 1. Remember, this means divide. Put the dots if you need to on the line. So I'm going to multiply by 10. We have to do it on both sides again. 10's cross out because this is like 10 over 1. And I get 10 divided by 10. Okay? So we have A left on this side, and 1 times 10 is 10. Did we get the same answer on 2 of them? Oh, no, we had negative 10 and positive 10. All right, if you understand these, that's 2 of them I've done. Go ahead and go to the assignment. If you want, I'm going to do 2 more. You can listen to 2 more of them. All right? Draw my line down the equal sign. My variable is the K. Number not connected to the variable on that side of the equation is 2. It's plus 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. Here I get 20. My 2's cross out, and I have negative 4K left. That means negative 4 times K. So I'm going to divide by negative 4. Negative 4s are gone. All I have left is k. And 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. Make sure you're using the calculator and use the positives and negatives. All right, one more that I'm doing with you. Drawing my line. Circling my variable. Okay, negative 12 is the number not connected to the variable. Opposite of negative 12 is plus 12. Twelves cross off. I have x divided by 5, like I said. But the dots if it helps you remember that that's what it means. And negative 9 plus 12 is 3. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So I'm multiplying times 5. 5s are gone. X equals 15. All right, you only have to do the back side of the worksheet. That's only 8 problems. Take a picture, submit it. And I will see you Wednesday after MCAs. So make sure you do your best on your MCAs, all right? There are things you're not going to understand or know how to do. That's okay. If nothing else, look at it and think, well, that makes sense, or that doesn't make sense at all. Eliminate it that way. And if you have to guess, always guess the same letter, because eventually you'll pick it the right one. Don't pick a different letter for each time you guess, but don't guess all of them either. Have a good day.